Hey guys, good afternoon. Andy here with Expert Renovations. We're towards 2/3 of the day done on our presidential shake job. Got everything going our way. All the guys are working different faces of the roof. I'll try to have this done by tomorrow evening. I'm not sure that's a reality, but the outcome is highly possible. Benjamin doing a little waterproofing around the vent stack. Always good practice. Got new accessory metal for this stack. And that's what it looks like. It's an 82 square roof. Started to tear off at 7 o'clock this morning. And this is where we are at 2:30. So call us if we can help you out with your difficult roofing project. We're Shingle Master certified, have the crew, equipment, experience to get it right for you the first time and all the time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.